Autosvs technology have been involved in the aftermarket industry since 2008 and focused on BPAP since 2008, on professional OEM diagnostic tools, technical training on factory-based engineering system for BMW Esys and Mercedes Vediamo Monaco. We are working deeply with German manufacturers on diagnostic coding programming, ECU chip tuning, OEM retrofitting and upgrading, Unichip Smartauto projects R&D, and active partners of DIM Sporttexa in China market. Unichip Smartauto was high-tech project under Autosvs, started since 2013, focused on unique and smart solutions, specialized to work with German manufacturers like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Porsche at automotive after-sales market. Project infrastructure was R&D for IoT with 2 years efforts. Now released for aftermarket with Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto Functions Proxy Kit like OEM level, CIC, and NBT works now. CCC undergoing development. System proxy works like OEM level with Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, WeLink, CarLife, SYNC with further future developments. All new upgrades of Apple iOS 12.x will be via USB. Unichip products are CE, E Mark, E9 certified and registered with global Unichip trademarks. We supply superior quality and unique smart affordable solutions for global automotive aftermarket and end users with superior service.